Hi guys! Welcome to another
Staycation series.
And we are here at the
Novotel.
So last night, we availed kasi yung concert package kasi in partnership with Novotel. Meron silang package na you can get a deluxe room for only 6,000 if meron kang ticket sa Araneta Coliseum or sa New Frontier. So, let's have a room tour!
So first, up in here,
So we have a cabinet
we
here.
have a cabinet
May bathrobe.
with an ironing,
We have
complimentary slippers.
slippers.
You will take that
Then,
home.
Dito,
Here we have a
meron
place to
tayong
place our bags.
big mirror.
Little area to place the shoes.
Yep. And another storage here.
More storage.
And we also have here the vault. And then on the other side naman, it's kinda tricky. Akala mo cabinet lang. Pero it's actually the CR. So,
We have the shower.
yung shower nila sobrang malakas. Mabango din yung mga sabon nila.
The
Yes.
sink. The trash can and here's
Okay.
the
Saan na to?
next, over here,
And may extension room din siya. So, in case na meron kayong, or madami kayo, pwedeng
if
2
you
rooms.
have a family of whatever money, you can
So,
use
we
this
have
one.
here yung mga normal complementaries. Then, meron din silang fridge. Mini fridge. Then, we have here yung TV. And then, working table.
Table.
We have the
We
couch.
have actual trash cans down there. I don't know if you
And
can see them, but there's trash cans there.
we have the nice
Look
view.
at this view.
Where it's overlooking sa pool.
For some reason,
Tapos yun lang yung Araneta Center. So, kagabi, kasabay nung A1,
oh,
nandyan yung The Course naman. Dyan sila nag-concert.
it's a little foggy if you don't see. I think it might be raining.
Yeah. Yan. So, here,
There's a couch.
we have a side table.
And
Tapos,
a very
actually, marami silang saksakan
nice,
dito.
couch.
Yeah. Then, we have a nice bed.
2 beds.
2 beds. So, yung option nyo, pwede siyang 2 twin beds or 1 king size bed. Yan. So, sobrang sulit na neto, guys. And, that's it for the room tour.
Bye-bye.
Bye!